Hello everyone, I am Dr. Srivatsa. I am pursuing fellowship in cosmetic surgery at Chennai Plastic Surgery. 5 months back when I decided to come here, I was in dual minds. I was not sure of what to do after my plastic surgery course. Then when this offer came up, I noticed it was a 6-month fellowship. My thought came across that is it a long time for a fellowship to do, but I jumped in, trusting my friend Dr. Anita's experience and advice, and I landed here. And it's been 5 months here now, and I still feel that I have a lot more to learn from Dr. Karthik Ram. So what I understood here is just observing surgeries in operation theatre for 1 month doesn't give us the complete idea of how to handle a cosmetic patient in our practice. It actually involves a very long period, right from the beginning where the client comes and says hello to us to the point where the patient is happy and is leaving our consultation room saying thank you, you have changed my life. So to know all of this, 6 months is actually needed. The volume and spectrum of cases here at Chennai Plastic Surgery is very good. This is actually a very popular center for gynecomastia and multiple lipomas. People all over the world come here for multiple lipoma surgeries. The unique technique followed by Dr. Karthik Ram sir is published in PRS journal also. Other than these common procedures, other procedures done are liposuction of all parts of the body, abdominoplasty, rhinoplasty, breast implants, breast reduction, breast fat grafting, axillary tail corrections, face fat grafting, lip reduction, back tear corrections, Botox, fillers and scar revisions, many other minor procedures. So overall the hands-on is very good with good guidance from Dr. Karthik Ram sir. We got to learn the art of talking to the patient in a consultation room, which procedure is appropriate for this client, which client to take up for surgery, whom to deny surgery, how to adjust their expectation to a realistic type, and how to handle an unhappy client, and many more. Sir also encourages us in entrepreneurship, and he advises on how to do digital marketing by encouraging us to do videos in Instagram and YouTube. He also encourages to set up our websites and many more. So my overall experience here was excellent. My sincere thanks to Dr. Karthik Ram sir and the whole team of Chennai Plastic Surgery. Thank you very much for this opportunity.